Today I'm just wearing my ready to wear leggings. I really like these leggings. My mom actually gave them to me. And I'm wearing my Hedgehog top. So yeah, I'll put down below what pattern this top is from. Okay. Hi and welcome. If you are new, my name is Melissa and I love to sew and I love Halloween. So with that being said, if that is something that you're into, go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe, or watch some of my other videos. Check me out. Check how I am, how I react, why I do these things. Maybe not that far. But if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? What's good? How are you? What are you doing? What are you sewing? As you can tell, I went ahead and decorated. This guy right here is supposed to be the guy from Beetlejuice with the really tiny head, and when they're waiting in the lobby for their number to be called, and Beetlejuice is like sitting by him like, what the shiznits is wrong with you, you know? But yeah, that's supposed to be that guy. I'll give you guys a close-up. As you can tell, it's kind of busted, but it works. You can see somewhat of a similarity. I said somewhat of a similarity. Whew, what am I doing? What am I sewing? Am I sewing all my things? Today, I just wanted to share with you my fabric choices for my pattern projects that I'm working on. And it's kind of all over the place like everything else in my life, but somehow I managed to make it work. Have you heard that expression of like, I wake up and rise and shine? Well, that's not me. I heavily caffeinate and hope for the best, and I kind of just wing it. That's the root of my existence. Even though I do make a calendar, I'm kind of winging that too. It's just, it helps my crazy mentality. It helps all my wild thoughts kind of focus down on just a little bit of crazy instead of this whole big ball of crazy that I create in my head. So a lot of these patterns have already been cut out and traced, and I'm working with them. The majority of my stash is from Savers, if not all of it. I think 1 or 2 fabrics are from Joann's. I don't have a problem with Joann's. It's just fabric can be pricey, and I just have to, with having a family, I just have to watch with where my money goes towards. So I'm happy and I'm blessed that I can at least go to Savers and splurge. Even if it's just 2 or 3 pieces of fabric, it's 2 or 3 pieces of fabric that I get to sew. Let me show you guys what I have. So some of them are going to be incomplete for the moment because I either don't have enough and I am trying to figure out how to make it work and how to work with not only my fabric stash but even my scraps, because we can get a lot out of scraps. It can just take just a little bit more time. You know what I'm saying? Yes. So the first thing that I'm working on, but I had to put a stop to it because I don't have enough fabric, so is this pattern, is the McCall's M6548. Isn't this cute? I want to make my son the button-up shirt, but I don't have enough. I actually wanted to make him like a birthday shirt, but I don't have enough fabric. And then I made a mistake, okay? So one, I didn't have enough fabric, so I have to find some scraps and kind of mesh it so I can make this work. And I will make this work. It's just a challenge. And you know, as us sewists, we are not fans of challenges, but we accept them. We accept them. But I made the mistake of not cutting reverse. So like, for example, this is cut wrong. It's supposed to be a front and a back, but they're the same. I cut them for the same side. Does that make sense? And it's not that big of a deal, but it's cotton non-stretch. You know what I mean? On top of cutting that wrong, I ended up cutting this wrong. This This was supposed to be cut on the fold, but I figured I would leave just a little bit of space so that I can cut two pieces and just sew them together, right? Well, I did this wrong. They're the same side. You see that? I was supposed to cut them one like that. It's such a rookie mistake, but nonetheless, it's a mistake that cost me this fabric that I wasn't able to finish for my son's birthday. And it's okay. He has a lot of cute shirts, but it just would have been cute for him, you know, to have a little top of little Avengers and stuff. It's fine. He'll be fine. I'll be fine. He didn't know I was sewing it. It's fine. I'm fine. The next thing that I cut out and I'm sewing is the errand dress from Style Sew Me. So I did make the alterations, okay, and it's very nice. It's just that I made it a tad too short. And Cag Reinvented, I follow her on Instagram. I mention her all the time. She suggested that this would look really, really cute with liquid leggings. And I love that idea. I don't own a pair of liquid leggings, so I stopped sewing this. Apparently, because it's incomplete in my head and I don't have all the items, I stopped sewing it and I lost interest in it. But I will finish sewing it. I just need to go and get myself some liquid leggings. The next thing that I said that I was going to work on for the month of October is this. It's this Butterick B5895. So this pattern, I already traced and cut the paper pattern, but I decided to sew it with this. I bought this at Savers and it's just enough to make, it feels like linen. It's so soft and fresh, but not thick at all. And I think it'll be great because it does call for some interfacing, so I think the interfacing and this fabric will go very, very good together, and I can't wait to sew this one. And for this one, the Simplicity 5555, I went ahead and chose this fabric. I don't know yet if I have enough for this, but I think it'll look really cute. Originally, I wanted this fabric for the Mimi G, I'm just gonna call it the Mimi G date night dress, because once I say date night dress, I think you guys know which dress I'm talking about, with the ruching in the front, the ruching in the belly, and then like the really bodycon black dress that I made. It's like black and gold that I made, but it has like the peephole. I saved it for that, but I don't have any mesh for it. And because I don't have any mesh, I figured I would stop saving it and I would attempt to sew this, because this looks really, really cute. And if I do purchase liquid leggings, can you picture this color? Black liquid leggings, some cute heels, my hair, you know, just poofed out, and you know what I mean? Like, oh, that's such a cute, wouldn't that be a cute outfit? Am I overthinking this? Tell me down below. And the final project, I'm actually working on this one right this minute, and I chose, let me see if I can, I chose this fabric from Savers. You know which one I'm talking about? It's like this really cute kind of sailory, it reminds me of like Sailor, you know. I don't know if it's because of like the whole navy blue and white, but it reminds me of like Sailor colors. And it's going to be this top right here, the Simplicity 8424. Let me just talk about tank tops, okay? Tops that don't cover my underarm area make me really uncomfortable. Like I've mentioned before, my arms are my biggest insecurity, and if you have brown skin, I don't know for all brown skin or darker skin tones, okay, I don't know for everybody, but I can only speak for myself. It can get dark, okay? It can get, I mean, you could raise your hand and it can be very dark. Usually when I wear tank tops, I wear like a little coat or something to go over it. You know what I'm talking about? I just thought I'd share that. But yeah, this is the current one that I'm working on. I don't know if I'll be making my own Halloween costume this year. I probably will. I'll probably just do it like 3 days before Halloween, or maybe the day before Halloween, or the day of Halloween. because I'm just that type of person, but we will have to wait and see. And real quick, I also won this Berta magazine from Crystal Sews and Stuff, and she did me the beautiful favor of sending me 3 patterns. She sent me this pattern, which is the Poppy Playsuit, and she also sent me these 2 patterns. And real quick, before I go, I just wanted to share a huge thank you to everybody in the sewing community. All you beautiful ladies are just so caring and understanding, and I don't know, all of you just shine so beautifully in your own way, and you guys have been so accepting of me and all my wild and my crazy and my goofy and my silly. Like, I don't know, I just get a lot of support from you guys, and it means the world to me. I'm fine. But I do want to go ahead and just say that because of all the appreciation and love that I feel from everybody, I do want to go ahead and announce a giveaway. It is going to be a gift card. I'm not going to say from where yet, and it's only going to be $25, but I just wanted to share how grateful I am for you guys. I am not going to announce it anywhere else but here. So all you have to do to enter the giveaway is just to comment down below. It can be what you're working on, it can be what you did today, it can be what pattern you're mostly excited about to see with that you saw in this video. It can really be, it can literally be about anything. And I just wanted to do this giveaway because of I haven't met any of you in person, but I have so much love for you guys. You don't even know, like, and I feel that you guys have love for me too, and I just wanted to keep this going. All right, and with that being said, I just want to thank everybody once again for watching. May you make it a wonderful day, week, and month, and don't forget to have a great year. Bye.